I love it.
Samsara honestly made me a better driver.
Samsara gives me peace of mind. And if something goes wrong, I know I've always got somebody in my corner.
As a driver, I do feel safe with the cameras and things in the truck. It's a lot safer than just, you being by yourself.
It helps a lot. There was an incident, fortunately, nobody was hurt, but the dash cam, it saved me.
Samsara, it's there to protect you. I know I can get up in the morning and drive to work, get into my lorry, or can go home safe at night.
It's a good safety tool.
With Samsara, everything is done electronically, so it makes it seamless.
We used to have booklets, and it was like every day it would take a bit more time when you would do the pre-trip and post-trip.